Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I'm going to share chicken Makluba. Makluba is a traditional Palestinian meal that is one of my favorites. Makluba is flavorful rice laid with chicken or lamb and fried vegetables. It is served flipped upside down and gets its famous appearance from being upside down. Makluba originated in Palestine, but today it is popular in many regions of the Middle East, each with their own version of Makluba. In this video, I am sharing the healthier and faster Makluba. Traditionally, they fry the vegetable. Here I am baking the vegetable instead of frying. First, we are going to make the Makluba spice powder at home. For this, I am using 2 large cinnamon sticks. If you have a small one, you can use 3 green cardamom, 10 dried lemon, 1, 10 cloves, and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander, cumin, black pepper, corns, and fennel seeds. Add 10 Kashmiri whole chilies and dry roast them and make a powder and set aside. For this recipe, I am using whole chicken 4 pounds, cut it into big sizes, and then I am adding 2 tablespoons of the Makluba spice mix which we prepared, and add salt to your taste. Rub it well, and you can marinate this chicken maybe a day before, like overnight, or if you don't have much time, you can at least marinate for like 1 hour prior to the cooking. I'm cooking the chicken in the instant pot, adding 7 cups of water, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, dry lemon 1, 2 tablespoons of the Makluba spice mix, salt to your taste, and 2 cubes of Maggi. Mix it well. Now you can place the marinated chicken in the water and cook it like 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can cook this in the stove top for like 25 minutes. Meanwhile, we can slice the potatoes and put it in the ice water, and slice the eggplant and sprinkle some salt and keep it aside. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons olive oil and half tablespoons of the Makluba mix and whisk it well. Pat the potatoes and eggplant with a paper towel. Line 2 large baking sheets with parchment paper. Next, you can add the sliced vegetables and brush the vegetables with the spices and oil mix. And you can bake it in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until they are golden brown for a healthy Makluba option. Halfway, you have to flip the vegetables and you can add 1 sliced onion, tomatoes, and peppers. Now our chicken is ready. You can transfer the chicken to a sheet pan, and then you can brush the chicken with the Makluba mix and then broil it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now our chicken and all the vegetables are ready. Now it's the time to layer them. You can grease the heavy bottom pan and add a sheet of parchment paper to the bottom of your pot to help prevent the makluba from sticking. Now you can layer the baked vegetables first. First I am putting the eggplant. Spread them on the bottom of the pan. Now add the baked or fried potatoes. You can even use the cauliflower if you like. Now add tomatoes, onions and peppers. Now you can place the chicken on top. For this recipe, I am using 4 cups of basmati rice soaked for 20 minutes and drained. Now you can layer the rice on top of the chicken. Now you can slowly pour the stock over without disturbing the rice. The broth should sit about ½ inch over the rice. For this recipe, I am using 7 cups of water for 4 cups of rice. Turn the heat on high until you hear the water boiling. Then you can cover and cook 30 minutes on medium flame. Once it's done, you can turn off the heat and let the pots rest covered for about 15 to 30 minutes. Place a large serving pan on top of the makluba pot as if you were replacing the lid. Quickly you can flip the pan upside down, holding the bottom of the pot and the serving platter. You will probably want to ask someone strong to do this. Tap the top and the sides of the pot to loosen up all the pieces. Then you can remove the pan and watch your makluba revealed. Wow, look at that, how neat and clean it came. Finally, you can garnish with some chopped parsley and nuts, and you can serve it along with your favorite salad. Finally, it's time to toast the rice slowly. I will leave the detailed recipe in the description box. Please try this at home and let me know your feedback. Here you go, the healthier makluba is ready to serve now. You can serve it along with your favorite salad. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.